Today we are going to make this knife sheath for the Kabar wrench knife. It comes with this hard plastic guy here that has no way I could see as to attach it. The only thing I've seen online, I looked online, a couple people have got plastic clips for like Kydex holsters, and they screw them into this position here so you can have a pocket clip or waistband clip. But anyway, this is what we came up with for the Kabar wrench knife. And here's how I made it. Alright, so what have we done here? We have glued the front and the back pieces together, and that's dry. Now we're going to glue the welts in and the top half. So here we go. We're going to stitch the holster. It's very difficult and shaky and overexposed, so you get the bright idea. Stitch this holster, knife sheath up. You're not missing much. And that's it, guys. She's all done. Stitched up. I saved you the boring parts of me talking about putting the finish coat on it and working the edges. But there you go. She's all done. Ready to go to its new home. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me something else you'd like to see. If you got another knife that you'd like to see a holster made for. Link will be in the description for the website, email address, all that good stuff.